Hello everyone, and as you can see from here, we have the magical My Little Blacksmith shop. So yeah, I've noticed that you guys really like it, so let's go. Also, there's a big update, hoping they fix the feature that I couldn't make anything. Okay, ooh. Whoa. Whoa, this is lag. Graphics. Medium. So apparently, can it be a little brighter? This work? It's good enough for me. So this might be a little, like, very laggy, as you can see. But ooh, this looks nice. Can you name your shop? No. Oh, dang it. Well, we'll just call it the Diamond Shop. Okay, so since I don't know what to do, bop. Okay. So, no way. Where's my copper hammer? No. Well, come on. Call. Well, that is bright. Yeah. We're gonna need some ingot. Let's place order. Okay, and then let's go back and get like you know what? We'll just get it when someone comes. But we do need this. Dang. So, do we just put it on there? Or, like, I don't know. Usually you're supposed to start out with something. Or maybe that was just for blah. Come on. Yes. Hey, you can sprint. Hey, there's Mr. Sign. Shop fee. Done. What about 19? Shop fee, okay. More green. There we go. That's good. The diamond shop. There we go. That's better. So, I heard that you can mine in this game now, I think. I'm not exactly sure, so just to be clear, again, I'm not sure, but, okay. Hey, it's saved. Oh. That's why I didn't have any stuff. Okay. Come to my shop. Hey, this is new. So, we're in a different world. What are the recipes? Where are the recipes? Where are the recipes? By the way, I did do that. Where are the recipe? Where art thou, recipe? Where art thou, recipe? Is it this? Is it this? Are you the? No. I don't know what that. I don't. Can I have this book? Can I read the book? Can I want to read the book. Okay. You shall be. Okay. Well. By the way, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. Sorry I've been away for so long. I've just not really wanted to do anything. How do I get back there? Wasn't there like a... Was there? No. Oh. 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 What's that? I want to get inside. It seems like a nice little hidey hole. Aw. Hey, yo, you can get up here. You can get up here. How dare you? You lied to me. You lied. How to get up? Okay, so I believe you can mine now. But I'm not sure if you start out with like pickaxe. No. Someone here. Someone coming. Anyone here? Let me just get you from down there. How do you rotate things? How do you rotate? Hold. Oh. So it's like control. Shift alt. There we go. There. Yeah, I don't know if you can. Can I just mine now with my hammer? Like this? I'm still totally clueless about this game, to be honest. But, you know. Yo. Hello? Hey, you. What are you supposed to be? What do you need? I gotta go. I gotta go back. there? Yes. Yes, they are. Okay. Okay. Crab. Crab-a-doodles. Crab-a-doodles. Copper dagger. Copper dagger. Okay. So we need a grip. Back. Then we're like guards, and we need. Then they're like that. Then we're gonna like the. Then we're like, no, I don't want to whack. I wanna put. All right. So isn't it like one on here? Yeah, I don't think the hammer. Oh, it has to be heated first. There we go. Bomb, bomb, bomb. You're still not done. Get on top. Get on top. Okay, you know what? Why can't it just get on? There. There. Come on. There we go. This is like super. There we go. Bong, bang, bing. Get in there. Get in. Get in. Then we're like, haha, sucker fool. Come. So we need a one-hand grip. Like, let's just put it right there. And where are you, Mr. Guard? Version 1. Come on. Get up, you idiot. Just, You just do it like that? Control. I don't care. Boom. Bang. Bippity bop. Can you just be there? And I'll just be like, haha. Do you put it on here? I'm confused. I can't. Okay, we still got some time. So, supposed to do it like this. Do you need a guard for a dagger? Here? No. I have to break it apart. Break it. Do you put it on the thing? I heard somewhere that you like put it on the thing. You're like bang, bing. Yeah. Okay. Then you're like bippity bop. And more bippity bop. And then you're like a bippity bop. And another bippity bop. You shall become a dagger. I said dagger. You are a dagger. Here's your dagger. That is a dagger. How is this not a dagger? Ah! You know what? I tried giving him a dagger. Someone needs to get a dagger. I don't care. Oh no. Yeah. I made a dagger. Yeah, you see? You see? I made a dagger. Yes, hello. Would you like to come to the shop? Yes, you would. Now, are you going to look over there? Okay, what do you want? One-hand sword. Crap. Well, I can put a thing on here, and then we're like, that, then like, bippity bop ba up. Then we're like that. Then we're like, let's just put it right up here for when we need it. And then we're like, so we need 2 copper ingots, if I'm correct. Then we're like a bellow and more bellow, like lots of bellow, and then just heated bellow. Oh, there you go. Bippity boppity bop. Good. Good, good, good. Not cool, right? Good. Bop. Bang. Chop. Ha. Okay, and then we're like, put it in there. Then we're like, don't worry. Don't worry. We got this. I'm smart. Okay? They're like, duh. Then we're like, this. Let's put on there, good. And then we're like, a bop. I said bop. You shall become one. There we go. Yay. Here you go. Ooh. P. Ooh. Let's see. Points more. Let's. Intelligence. I need to be smart. Smoot. I need to be smoot. Please say you want a dagger. Please say that 2 people don't want. Please say that. Okay, good. Good, it's just you. Okay, it's just you. Copy that. I can do that. Ooh. Gonna need a U. Then we're gonna need a U. Then grips. One-hand grip. We're like a BIPPITY. Can you not there? Okay, well that would have been a mistake anyway. Okay. We're like ba ba da ba da ba ba. There. Then we're like, we're just gonna smash it together and then it'll work. Bah. Work! Thank you. Here you go. This is a... You want it! So do they just not have grips or something? Lies. I can run. Bippity, bippity. Why aren't you taking it though? Hey, there we go. Here's your stupid dagger, Mr. Stupid Sir. There we go. Now we're getting more monies. Can I have my cheese? Yum yum. That's an apple. Surprisingly, it hasn't spilled. Well, you never asked for a pole arm, but who the heck cares? I kind of do, but yeah. How much does a pole arm need? Okay, so we have enough. It's just that grip. Order a pole arm grip. Jeebus. 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 That's a lot. There we go. Alright, I still have that guard. Oh. Bop. Bang. Bing. Bop. 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 There we go. And then we're like that. Oh wait, it's still heated. I mean, you could have one that's... There you are. Then we go over here and we put it right there. This is my last thing of the day. Congratulations. So we're just gonna magically put it on there. And there we go. With an extra tiny blade. With an extra tiny... You know what? No, it's closed. I'm sorry. Bye. Okay, that's good. First day on the job. Well, second, sort of. I don't know. But, I feel refreshed. You know what, guys? I think that's gonna do it for today. I know it was a little bit short, but I'm kind of tired, even though it is only like, what is it? Let me check. 36. What the heck? Okay, sorry it might be a little bit like out of position, but you know, 7:36 a.m. But p.m. actually. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to. You know, you gotta check out some other videos if you want to subscribe. But anyway, I honestly don't care about the notification button, so you can click that if you want to. I don't care. Yeah, so that about do it. Let me just, bye.